Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on HBAR. I just got my entry right now. I see this as potentially an ending diagonal that completed, or we need a slightly lower low. Just real quick, the reason why I did that, I was looking for the one-to-one extension here of our A wave for our C on BitGet, a leverage exchange. But if I go to Binance, you can see we made an expanded flat already in the same pattern. Looks like we're getting rejection at the moment to the upside. But if you're unaware of my trade setup, I'm going to leave a description in the comment section. I'll pin it to my last video. It's about 15 minutes explaining all the patterns in here. I just don't want to go over it again at the moment. But real quick in a nutshell, we have this as the bottom at the 618 extension of the previous W wave, looking for a ABC to the upside as a Y wave, most likely a flat pattern. The question is, do we make an A wave here, come down, come up in 5, up to 5.86 cents, or do we just take off in 5 waves here and our A wave is over here? But as of right now, it looks like the correction is potentially complete. We probably reached the 1.236 here on Binance extension. Let's see real quick if this is an A wave off the B. So right between the 100 and the 1.236 as an expanded flat there on Binance. And on BitGet, again, just looks like we came a little shy on the top and the low. But that's why I always look at multiple exchanges. Otherwise, I'd be waiting forever here for the one-to-one if this started to break out. Again, what I would look for here is a move up, sideways, off we go. That's what I want to happen here. But we can always come down for another low and then go. And if we come up and make some more complex patterns, that might change my count. But if you want to check out the previous video, again, it's all on there. My entry is currently my drawing tool, my favorite thing that just keeps screwing up. So my entry is at, I'm just going to put it on here, 4960 is my entry. So it looks like I should get about a 10-to-1 risk reward here if we hit 5.86. So that's the move I'm looking for. Alternatively, what can happen here? Again, always gotta consider other options. If we come up here and we reject hard, I would expect this to be an A with a flat B and then a C wave down, and then we go again. That's the way that patterns can always get bigger. Just remember that. But we'll have stops in place on this trade once we start to get some momentum to the upside. So as long as we get above this area here, there's no way we should lose money in the trade. We will adjust our stops to make sure we protect properly. All right, guys, just wanted to give you that update that I am in, and this is either an ABC X ABC as a zigzag, and this is either a zigzag, or this says 5 waves down, and this is most likely making an ending diagonal. Now, if we do fail, if we just come down here and grind and then fall off a cliff, which I'm sure you've seen that pattern before, that would be most likely, this is a 1 complete here, as we got 5 waves here coming down, and we're making another 1, 2, and those would be nested 1, 2s, and we fall off a cliff. That's how we come to the downside from this area without making a correction first. So stops right at that low on BitGet. It's 4.873, and if that fails, I'll look to enter around the 618 in the bottom of this channel off this pivot with the stop at this low, and that would look something like this. But the trade setup would not change unless something very impulsive happened to the downside, where I would have to consider my other options. So that's my first trade, that's my second trade. Both targets are the same currently. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't seen my previous video with everything I discussed in this area, I'll leave a link pinned in the description. All right, thanks for watching.